Florida General Knowledge Test Math Prep Part A. This question is of average difficulty. A laptop computer sells for $1,199. If the retailer makes a 20% profit, what is the wholesale price? So let's take a look at our information and set it up as an equation. The first thing we notice is that the cost of the computer after markup is $11.99. That's the retail cost. The retailer makes a 20% profit, so that's 20% over the full amount of the wholesale price. In other words, our wholesale price, which we'll call X, since we don't know what it is yet, is some amount. And we know that 20% above our wholesale price X is equal to our retail price. So in other words, our wholesale price plus 20% of our wholesale price, where of implies multiplication, is equal to $11.99. So in words, we can think of this as wholesale price plus 20% markup equals retail price. So, if we look at our equation, x plus 0.20x equals $11.99. We have 1x plus 0.20x, so that's 1.20x equals $11.99. Now, we want to solve for x, so what we do is we divide by 120 on both sides. So we divide both sides of the equation. And then you'll be given a basic calculator. So we figure out $11.99 divided by 1.20. And that gives us x equal to $999 and 0.166667, or, rounding to the nearest cent, 999.17. Let's take a look at another problem where we're looking at a percent decrease. Suppose a used car sells for $5,700. This is 15% below the car's Blue Book value. In other words, what the car is presumed to be worth. We want to find the Blue Book value of the vehicle. Now, since $5,700 is 15% below the Blue Book value, we know that we're looking for a dollar amount that is higher than $5,700. So, we'll let x equal that Blue Book value, which we're trying to find, and our final cost is $5,700. So since it is $5,700, let's set our equation equal to that amount. And now we're saying that x minus 15% of x is equal to 5,700. When we have x, there's a coefficient of 1 implied, so that's the same as 1x minus 0.15x. That gives us 0.85x equals 5,700. Now when we divide both sides by 0.85, we're solving for x. And that gives us $6,705.88. There is our approximation for the Blue Book value of a car prior to its 15% markdown. This concludes our example, and we'll see you next time.